How about the rice?
I have to put all. So this is our main group. I have to put the groups here inside, and then here, and then forgot to make the label. So this will be the sizes. This will be the sizes. Okay, so the sizes, I will just rename this out with label. So they will be at the top. And then the player name, I usually rename this as name. That's it. And so this one will be our good example for our logos. So this one here, uh, I usually, if I go for this, for example, is a logo, I usually do this. I have to, oh, sorry, it's isolation mode. Here, this one. Okay, and then let's put it here. So if this is a logo, I usually do this as logos. But first, I had to put this inside a perfect square. Here is a perfect square, and then no fill, no strokes. Yes, and then yes, I have to group them. After I group them out, I will just rename this as logo 1. And then if you have another logo, just rename it logo 2. So this one here, I put it out with a perfect square because this is not proportion. So as you can see, the script will what the script will do is make the layer name that had logo 1, logo 2, logo 3. It will make it proportion. So all sides are equal. So that's why I put it with a square because this will be the measurement on how it will be put to proportion. So I have also a sample. I will just put a sample also for an ellipse here. So it's really a sample. I just put another color. So I will just rename this as logo 2 and then put them inside.
Yes,
But but
you see
in a group, I will rename this as group. Okay, and then this is the preparation. A group. Next is the label or the size, which I rename label, and then as follows: logo 1, any. But be sure to make the label the first layer in a group so that it will resize. Step is this pattern here, the XL pattern. I will rename this as symbol. I will name a symbol and then I will to hide it. Now this is good. So I have to save this one. Control S, and then we have already you already made lineups. So all I have to do is put this in a notepad, now here it is. Here's are your lineups. I usually do this. Get the space out. Okay. Get rid of the space. Okay. This is good. And then I have to put a header. So a header must be all word, not numbers. Okay, I will just put this in name, comma, label, comma, and number. So this is it. I have to save it where my um, where my okay, so where my design is. So in case this is your design, I just to save it here. I have to save it here. I make a folder and you can save it anywhere, but right now I have to save it here. Okay, and then save also the text. So you have to save it as CSV. So the way I save it like this, I use Notepad and then where's the pattern? Here's the pattern. Here's the demo. So then I have to save it as CSV. The way to save it is this. I have to click all types and then I have to name this team name. Okay, just like that, family. Then .csv. That's all. And then I have to upload this one. I have to use the variables to upload my list here, family CSV. Then I have to use this tool here, the direct selection tool, to click on, but the player has two players because of the style, so I have to get the layer. And then these are names. Then select the name as variable and then click dynamic. Now the name is recorded, and then the size are labels. Click it, and then I'm sorry, I don't have numbers. Maybe I have to make numbers for this demo. Okay, so I have to get inside. Okay, I have to get inside the group and then make a number. Okay, this is a sample of a number. Okay, so I will okay, so one more thing, we have to put this layer on a center. Be sure to put this in the center so that if there will be data will get inside, it will be centered. Okay, now this okay, it's all okay now. So number, okay, forgot make this dynamic. So these are okay right now. So now I have to do is click on my app here, run automation and resizing and naming. So these are size, t-shirt size, and for the name I have to limit this for 10. Okay, 10 is okay for me. And then go with the process. Okay, process done, and then I will click the add pattern. Okay, and then boom, all is good now. So I'm sorry for that. So one of this one will be the wrong one, so we have to delete it. The last one will be our template. So right now you can, yes, okay, and then okay, so this one, so as you can see, pon, you have two pon. This one here, one of this one will be the template, so all you have to do is delete this. So now all is good. So how to save this on JPEG? So the way to save this on JPEG is just to select them all. Okay, so maybe after you check this one, okay, so you already done checking, you will select them all and then go for the asset export here. For the asset export, you can, if you want to export them all as CMYK, you have to do this format settings. And then where this format setting? I forgot. Wait, here. I forgot the format setting, but usually I do this. I will just put this CMY key first before I I export them. So now just click the plus sign here. Okay, these are all. And then if you want what is your format, usually JPEG. And then resolution, here in Philippines we do 150 resolutions. And then export them. Here we click the demo folder and then select folder. I forgot there is a setting here in the export. I just forgot where it is. I think this is one, the format setting. Okay, I'm sorry here. So if you are an RGB and then you want to export it the same way key, you have to do this JMOG and then the same way key here. Okay, so you can check the profile if you want. You can do RGB or same way key here and then save the settings for the export. So let's look at the exported JPEGs. Here. So these are the files here. So okay, so again, thank you very much.